Hey Josh, what is a prop firm and how do those even work?
All right, so a prop firm inside the futures market, I'm going to try to bridge the gap of the analogy. It's actually kind of neat. So it's just like a test, and then when you pass the test, you get paid. So you take the test, you pass the test, you get paid. And if you pay to pass the test and you fail, then you lose money. Okay, so here's how it works. You first learn how to trade on your own, or however you do it, with a mentor, no mentor, however you do it, and you find a strategy that works for you. A prop firm is specifically designed for intraday traders, day traders, people who want to be in the day, out the day, try to get results today, scalpers, stuff like that. It's not going to work for position traders, not going to work for swing traders, realistically. So here's how it works. Let's say you're a prop firm trader, or you're a prop firm and I'm the trader. I will say, I want to take a test. Here is $50, and then you give me a $25,000 demo account. And then you tell me you got to make $1,500 without losing $1,500. And if you can do that, you pass the test. So then I trade and I make $1,500 and I don't lose $1,500 and I pass the test. And then you say, okay, give me $100 to activate this account for you. And once it's activated, if you can pass the test again, I'll share some of that money with you. So then I give you $100. Now I took $50 and I took the test, passed it, and now I'm activating it. Now I'm giving you $100. So I'm $150 into it. And so I take the test again. So now I got to trade and make $1,500 without losing $1,500. And then if I can do that, then I get a piece of that $1,500. Now it could be that I get $500, $1,000, $750, the whole $1,500. Just depends on the prop firm rules. And then ultimately you can just keep going and going and going and going until you fail, and then you start all over. Now some prop firms, what they will do, because if you become a really, really great trader, they'll say you can only pass the test 6 times, receive 6 payouts, and you got to start all over, right? Some prop firms go, you pass it as many times as you desire and just make as much money as you desire. And so ultimately the business, I don't own a prop firm. I'm not in that business. I'm just a user of them. I think they're great if you don't want to risk your own money and you just want to put your trading skill to the test. Now let's be very frank about prop firms. They make money by you paying for tests, right? They make money by you paying. So if you fail, if you fail, they don't have to pay you, and you're probably going to retake the test. Now, why would we do that? Well, we do it because it's nice to make money without having to risk our own money. So instead of having a $25,000 trading account of your own money, you just pay $50 and you get a $25,000 demo account. You take these tests and you try to make an income of $500 to $1,500 per payout, which is kind of nice. So I like prop firms. I think they're great if you're an intraday trader. Some of the rules are kind of, they're designed to make trading tough, but their balls, their bats, their rules. I'm just a player, right? So I think prop firms are great if you have a strategy that allows you to win. Intraday trading is challenging by itself. Scalping is challenging by itself. Position trading, swing trading will not work with prop firms.
All right. Thank you, Josh.